Most of you know my 2005 Nissan Armada. I've owned it for a while, and ever since owning it, I've always wanted factory fog lights. It's a four-wheel drive SE. If you own a Titan, Nissan Titan or Nissan Armada, most people know this, but this is for the ones that don't. If you own a four-wheel drive model, your truck is already pre-wired for fog lamps from the factory. These plastic things, there's one there, one there. They actually pop out. You grab it, you pull, and it comes out. And this is not going to be on yours. This is on mine because I had some aftermarket fog lights in here. All right, but that's the hole. Your factory fog lights mount right there. Not on this, but that's what these holes in the plastic are for. These things just pop right out. They're just fillers. And the wiring is. Let me see if I could turn the doggone. Trying to turn the flash on so you could get some light and see. Alright, it's on. Alright, let's see. You see right there? That clip right there? That's the clip for the fog light. It clips right on in. Again, if you have a four-wheel drive model Titan Armada and you don't have factory fog lights, your truck is actually pre-wired for it. Okay? So all you got to do is get some fog lights. You get them on Amazon, eBay. I would avoid a dealership. They'll rip you off. And they'll just mount right up. I need to clean this truck. And this is your light switch. Let me start the truck up so I can turn this. The fog light area would be right here. Alright, this is your headlight switch. The fog light would be right here, and you could be able to rotate it. Again, all the relays are already there. The wiring in here is already there. You open this up like a clamshell. This will open up. This is a clip on the top and the bottom. You squeeze it and this whole thing just clips out, and you get the one that has the fog light on it, and you're good to go. Finally, I got one. If you recognize Import Direct, you'll know that's a brand that O'Reilly carries. Let me turn the truck off. This is a brand that O'Reilly carries. This package has been through hell. But this is the switch. These are the tabs I was talking about. There's one tab right there. And one tab on the bottom. So you just squeeze them in and pull. This is a switch. It looks just like the other one, except you have this right here. Fog light on, fog light off. And it's that simple. Unplug the old one, plug this one in, throw some lights on there, whether it's the factory style fog lights or you get some aftermarket ones, and just wire them to the pigtail. And when you throw this switch, they'll be lit. And it'll be lit the correct way as far as DOT. What I mean by that is your fog lights will only work on low beam. Once you even if you turn the fog light on, once you activate your high beam, even with this switch on, the fog lights will automatically cut off. All right, so this is the part right here. If you go to O'Reilly, that's it right there. And it actually, what the heck was that? I just saw something on my hand. Maybe I'm seeing things, but that's the part right there. If you go to O'Reilly, some stores have them in stock, but if your store doesn't have it in stock, they will get it to you the next day. Apparently this is a popular part, and they keep these. Oh, it was a spider. There you go. You see the spider? I know I saw something on my hand. No, it wasn't crazy, but again, that's the part number. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap this thing out. Alright, it's the right bit. I just didn't have it in the, let me see if I could turn the dog on. Turn the light on. There we go. Now I can see it. So you go in like that. That's one. You gotta bear with me. I'm trying to hold the phone with one hand. All right, that's two. Yeah, let's get the other one out. Gotta use an extension on this. Once you get the 3 screws out, I just used a flathead and I took my time, got it in there, and just popped it up. And that came up like that, see? So again, you got 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. I'm pointing the camera all over the place. Again, bear with me, this is one-handed. Trying to do this and show you what I'm doing at the same time. You could remove this, it'll make it easy to get the bottom one out of the way. But I'm trying to see if I could get it out. You know what, I gotta put the camera down, okay? Put the camera down because I needed this finger from my left hand and the other finger, the other pointer finger from my right hand, just to pull that tab and that tab, to push them towards the body of the switch while pulling with the fingers at the same time, and out it came. That simple, see? This one has been in my truck since 2005, since the truck was built. And now out it comes. There's hair all over it. But that's it. Out it came. Look at this, no grease on the bottom. So that's that one. And then here's this one. So again, no fog light, fog light. So now you take it, and right in that space right there, you see this white part, this lines up with that. Alright, so you just stick it on in there. And once you get it in, you could button this back up. It snaps together with these things and the 3 screws. All right, we got tail lights. Now we got headlights. So we're good there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my test light and check the fog light settings. See if that's working. Alright, so here we go. We're going to turn this headlights on. So we're going to do low beam. And let's turn the fog lights on. And now we're going to go check it. My test light right here. See if we can find some bare metal. There's a screw head right there. And then I'm gonna probe. I should have turned the steering wheel. Let's turn the steering wheel. Alright, steering wheel is turned. I think I got some more room. Let's probe this thing. And look at that. Let's go turn it off. Off. No light. Fog light back on. We got light, and now we're going to turn on the high beam, and the light should go out. High beam is on, and the light went out. So that's it. Alright, again, it's plug and play. If you have a Titan, a Nissan Titan, or a Nissan Armada, four-wheel drive, and your truck did not come with the factory headlights, your truck is pre-wired for headlights. All you need is a switch and some lights. Again, you could get the factory style lights. You get them on Amazon, eBay, start at like $19 and change. You could go to the dealership and get ripped off, or you could buy some aftermarket fog lights that'll fit in the space. You can get square ones, round ones, it's up to you, and just plug them into the pigtail and you're good to go. And again, that is the part number. And once again, I hope these videos are helping someone out there, because that's all they're meant to do. Right? It's not telling you what to do, it's just giving you an idea of how something can be done. Alrighty, good luck.